The primary benefits are that it flavors food, can reduce tobacco cravings, and supports a healthy digestive function. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the benefits and uses of the doTERRA black pepper essential oil. Black pepper is best known as a common cooking spice that enhances the flavor of foods, but its internal and topical benefits are equally noteworthy. This essential oil is high in monoterpenes and sesquiterpenes, known for their antioxidant activity and ability to ward off environmental and seasonal threats. Black pepper promotes healthy circulation, but should be used with caution when applied topically due to its strong warming sensation. It can also help with digestion of foods, making it an ideal oil to cook with and enjoy both for its flavor and internal benefits. The common uses for the doTERRA black pepper oil are aromatic, so breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, and then internally as well. The primary benefits are that it flavors food, can reduce tobacco cravings, and supports a healthy digestive function. The directions for use are adding 1 drop in place of 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper in savory dishes. You can also add 3 to 5 drops in a 4-hour diffuser like the pedal diffuser from doTERRA to open up your airways, or you can add 1 to 2 drops of this black pepper oil with a fractionated coconut oil, which I have, which is a great carrier oil and helps to spread out the concentration of the essential oil, help it absorb better into your skin, as well as cover larger surface areas. And then you can put this combination here, fractionated coconut oil first, and then the black pepper, on your abdomen area and rub in to support healthy digestion. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.